we'll create the app on our Heroku account, then we'll deploy the app out to Heroku, and we'll end up with a good web address where we can go visit this app. All the rest of the apps in the app platform are deployed independently to Heroku, so we'll do the same with this one. The first thing you'll need is an account with Heroku.com. You sign up, create an account right here, signup.heroku.com/login. I have already done so, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Once you have your account set up with Heroku, we need to install the Heroku CLI. Okay, we are all installed, and we need to log in. It's Heroku login, and then do it -I. So I'm actually already logged in. That's why it comes up with my email. So I'll just hit enter, and then you put in your Heroku password from the account that you made on Heroku. Okay, and it did give us the app repository on GitHub. So we've got an app reserved on here. So the next thing we'll do is deploy this to Heroku, and we'll do that again from the terminal. We'll be operating in app number 7. Okay, let's tell Copilot that we are going to be working on this app. And now this is the beauty of programming with AI. Let me go ahead and we're just going to tell it, we're going to deploy it to Heroku. The name of the app is To-Do List. And it's telling us, let's go ahead and create the necessary files for deployment. It says it wants to edit these files, and we'll allow it. Well, let's see what all we want to do. Created a few files: package.json, server.js, Procfile, app.json, the readme file, or the getignore file. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and keep all of this, and it wants to change directory to where we're working. Initialize the Git. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add it. We'll commit it. Initial commit, to-do list app ready for Heroku deployment. And we've already created the app, and we wanted to set the Heroku Git sets the remote at to-do list. Now we wanted to verify the remote, and Heroku.com to-do list.git, all in one step. Add, commit, and push to Heroku master. Git add, and then we're using Linux, so it'll use these two ampersands to string together commands. So we're adding, we're committing the initial push, and then pushing it to Heroku master. And it takes a minute, but it goes through all the little steps it takes to get this deployed. Okay, and Copilot over here tells us it's successfully deployed to Heroku. Here's the details. Gives us the app URL, Node.js version 18, dependencies, 69 packages, the build completed without errors. So now our to-do list is deployed out. Let's test it real quick. Get food, eat food. Okay, test persistence. Looks good. Delete, delete. Okay, the app works just fine, and it's deployed out on the web. Next, we will integrate it into our Unlocking AI app platform so that it's deployable from the web apps page. And we'll add it right here.